Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are well. Today in this video I am going to tell you about a website where you can earn money by running the internet. On this website you have to create your account, and after that the more you use the internet, the more money you can earn. Many people are earning money by working on this website. Also, work is very easily, just share internet and nothing else. This website will give money to you people when you share your internet. The more you share your internet with others on this website, the more money you get. There is also a software on this website which you guys will download. Then after downloading it you guys can earn almost a lot of money for a month. So I am directing you guys to this website is called Honeygain Passive Income Effort Easily. With Honeygain you can make money by simple sharing your internet. Start earning now. Download for Windows. Go to dashboard. Easy way to earn passive income. Start earning with Honeygain and use the money to pay for a streaming platform subscription. Unlock exclusive content on free to play video games or simple treat yourself with a little online shopping spree. Earn without compromising security. Honeygain ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partners and the app never asks for or gains access to the storage of your device. Know exactly what your internet is used for. Once you start using Honeygain, your device act like you towards and help world famous business access the World Wide Web without having to worry about location based restriction or censorship. Estimate your earnings directly depend on the amount of traffic you share with Honeygain network. The more you share, the more you earn. 3 IPS recommended per month. Daily traffic share, daily content delivery. Let me first show you guys what this website does and how to do it. This you guys can see if you guys give daily 5 GB internet and share in about 4 hours. So this website will give you this much money for 1 month. This is how you guys can earn money on this website. Download Honeygain, the interactive earning estimation tool should only be used for information purpose and does not guarantee you will earn a particular sum every month. The actual amount of money you make varies the traffic you share with Honeygain and the activity on the content delivery feature. To reach the desired amount of GBs share, you may need to run Honeygen on multiple IP addresses. The traffic demand also varies according to your country and device. Dashboard. Create an account. Continue with Google. Continue with Facebook. Earn up to $50 a month. Effortless. You are very close to earning passive income. Install Honeygen and let your device to do the job for you. Discover many ways to earn money, earn more. Install Honeygen on up to 10 devices. Refer friend to get bonus credits and try content delivery feature. Keep your data security in check. Honeygen keeps your data safe at all times. The control is 100% in your hands. Enable Honeygen when you wish. So how did you guys like this video of mine? Five steps to Honeygen. Set it up. Honeygen can be installed on any Windows, MacOS, Linux, iOS or Android device with a stable internet connection. Run Honeygen once active. Honeygen surely shares your internet connection, never gaining access to your personal data. Let it gather. Honeygen use your internet connection to gather bits of information that publicly available online. Help business credible campaigns use this data for web statistics, price compression and other verified business process. Get paid. Users earn money for all the traffic they share and can choose the receive payouts in PayPal or crypto. Ready to make sweet money. It only takes 5 minutes to start earning with Honeygen. Download for Windows. If you guys like this video of mine, please like and share it.